Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I'm going to do a video walkthrough on this Sea Ray 310 SLX. Got the motors running. You can hear super quiet. 350 horsepower Verados. Less than 30 hours of use. Got underwater lights on. Stepping on board. You got the sea deck here. Got one little raised spot there, but for the most part, it's all in great shape. Got glue down here on the aft deck and snap in the cockpit. Nice aft bench seat. Flip up backrest if you don't want to lounge. Hang out here facing aft. Kids playing in the water. Got this nice sunshade extended out. Stepping on board the boat. Small wet bar here. Refrigerator below. Nice U-shaped seating. Scroll around here. Check out the upholstery's in good shape. Snap down flooring. It was wet this morning. Got dry area and wet area. Refrigerator in this compartment. Here, sink. Solid surface countertop. Place for your carry-on cooler down below. Index storage here. Two double wide seats here, one for the captain, and companion seat is both double wide, so sitting forward comfortably. Got flip up bolster up on the helm seat and down here so you can see the difference. Joystick display with skyhook, autopilot, digital throttle and shift, one lever as well. Trim tabs coming up top. You've got Simrad displays with your switching in there. It's got depth sounder as well, chart plotter information. Let's pull up these engine hours real quick for you. More. Yeah, 26. Camera will adjust, sorry about that. 26 and a half hours roughly. Fusion stereo. It's got the subwoofer, upgraded sound system. Nice head compartment here. Got some stuff stored, but just a quick glimpse there. Take a look at the photos of that. Looking up. Nice bow area, anchor windlass, remote up here, freshwater shower. Upholstery's in good shape here. There we go, camera focused on it. Flip down armrest, got some storage here as well. Storage on the compartments. This aft bench seat lifts up. The cockpit table's there. There's also a bow table front. Guys, this is a very clean, low hour 310 SLX. Appreciate y'all taking the time to watch it. Watch the video. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Take a look here. We've got the retractable top, onboard chargers. Boat's been dry stored at the lift facility here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you've got any questions, give me a call, 910-264-4818. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks.